Output 5V, 9V, 15V, 20V, 3A, 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 3. 25A, 65W USB-C tip. Compatible SKU or DP, N. 02YK0F, 0M1WCF, 0JYJNW. Compatible factory model. LA65 New Mexico 170, HA65 New Mexico 170, DA65 NM 170. XPS 12 9250, XPS 13 9350, 9360, 9365, 2-in-1, 9370, 9380, Latitude 7370, 7390, 7275, 7280, 7290, 7480, 7490, 5480, 5490, 5280, 5290, 5175, 5179. The LED indicator lets you know it's on, and makes it easy to find in a dimly lit space. Top reviews from the United States. Good charger to have, better than original. Works as sold, keeps 13, XPS happy and charging while hub attached. Ohm was 45W. This 65W is a nice upgrade. Good value so far as long as it continues performing. From appearance, expect it to last a long time. Would recommend. Worth the price. I need a higher wattage charger and this one worked. Good power brick. Works as intended. Charges up our laptops and iPads pretty quick. We got a total of 5 of these charges for all of our electronics for adults and the kids.